The supreme moment of the darshana, the viewing of the enshrined deity, has arrived. The pilgrim enters the Garbhagriha, the sanctum sanctorum. Today, there is only this broken pedestal under the open sky, the god missing and no one knows where. Yet for the devotee, he is here, always for eternity. Surya Deva, pervading the air, the earth and heaven, the soul of all that moves or stands. We retrace our steps, take leave of the temple of Konarak. Living men have touched, as it were, the bodies of the gods, paid homage to the maker of the day.